Welcome to my second video now. Now right in front of you here is a circuit that I built a while ago. I had it in a PVC made circuit box, but I managed to get it inside this one I got from JK Electronics. Okay, now at the front of the coil here is a coil of very fine wire. The resistance is 1700 ohms. It's on the other side of the coil and stamped on there. And that coil comes out of a bell ringer mechanism of a dial telephone. So there's old telephones with dials on it and a bell on top. This is a bell ringer mechanism coil from that. I use that with this. Okay, that circuit's linked to a slightly modified. Hang on. Passage contact. This is a slightly modified microphone preamplifier circuit linking to the coil. And from there it goes to LM386 audio amplifier integrated circuit that gives you the audio. And there's the output plug there. Okay, I've got a plug socket there so I can put headphones on there. And that, I ran the cord to that to the low signal input black star amplifier. This will take a very low signal and amplify it. This is what I used for my ghost box when I first started experimenting with them all that before I bought the amplified kits. So there it is again. Now, how this thing can hear a 40 kilohertz tuning fork is absolutely unknown, because a 40 kilohertz tuning fork rings out a 40 kilohertz sound wave, and my only theory is that the sound wave vibrates this coil, and whatever's in it, whether it be something induced from the local AC environment or the Earth's magnetic field or whatever, it vibrates, and the vibration hits that there, and it stimulates whatever's in it, gets it to flow out through the circuit, preamplifier and audio amplifier, and voila, there you got sound. Now, a 40 kilohertz tuning fork is not an electromagnetic field source, so the inductive coil on that amplifies anything induced into it, whether it be a UFO field or an AC field, or like I showed you, one of my parasite zappers. These four here all generate frequencies that this thing can hear. All the other parasite zappers over here don't generate frequencies that this circuit can hear, only these ones here. So these ones here, I reckon they're better quality parasite zappers. If the circuit can hear it, then you can be guaranteed you're not only getting a frequency flowing into your skin, but it's producing some type of field that this sensor coil here is picking up for induction and amplifying it. Right? Now, my explanation for the 40 kilohertz tuning fork, for this thing to be able to hear it, I don't know how that goes anyhow, because in a way this is a bit like a telephone pickup, but much bigger scale. But the thing is, a tuning fork emits only sound waves, not electromagnetic waves, so how it hears it and picks it up and amplifies it is a total mystery to me. Oh, anyhow, thank you for watching my latest video.